Hello, hello, and happy holiday. Several days from now, 2022. I received lately a supersize 11 by 24 feet Persian rug vegetable dye. Look how vivid and beautiful is the color. This is after I cleaned the rug. The rug, it's amazing quality. Big, heavy, and beautiful. The owner of this rug probably having a supersized living room, and it will be amazing in the house. But it smells from dog urine odor, and this is my mission for today. Removing all the odor and be sure the color will never run because it's made with vegetable dye. So I flood the rug with my secret cleaning product from the Dead Sea, and I vacuum from under the rug. The movement of my cleaner from the top to the bottom through the fiber of the rug, will remove all the urine crystal that's hiding, that's glue, the trap in the middle of the foundation. This is how I received 5-star reviews on Google all the time. Everybody asked me I would like to see what's coming from the rug. So I built the tube. The tube shows me in real time what the vacuum extract from the rug, from under the rug. All the hair, the dirt, the pee-pee, the dirty water, the soap, everything's flush out without touching the rug. We never use a scrubber or the squeezy to push the water from the rug because will cause a damage to the color and the foundation of the rug. Every Oriental rug, Persian rug, area rug, high quality wool carpet we pay attention to the smallest details. The rug have to be dry on the floor for the next 12 hours, and after 12 hours, the rug can be hung. This is the most precious rug I ever cleaned in my facility. It's described the Kingdom of Iran in the 1800s. PetPeePee, a cleaning process that makes sense, a cleaning process that guarantees urine odor removal. Thank you for watching.